Hi, so decision to be made. I decided to drop the subframe, front and back subframes, all the suspension components, and replace all the bearings of the bushes, repaint them. So I just want to show you my favorite tool, taking out the track rod ends, and also I have a hydraulic one for the ball joint. I'll see. I'll start first with the track rod end. This is a dropper, very well made too. So just go like so. You don't have to bash with a hammer. I mean, I always hate it when I see someone bashing with a hammer on the uprights. There you go. One done. That's my favorite one. This is a hydraulic ram. So, yeah, that's off. There was not even a crack. Alright, that's off. That's it. Completely effortless. I don't know if you could hear the ball joint, but that's gone. So that's the front uprights. The ball joints are not very well. I already done the other side, so you could see. Hopefully you could hear the noise. It's bone dry like. So I have a couple brand new to replace. So just wanted to show you how I'm doing them. First things first, I have the tool for those Peugeot ball joints. You can use like a steel sense, but this is the best way. The thing is, the rubber seal, it's a bit larger, so it still fits over, but it's difficult. And I'm going to throw this one. So what I'm going to do is just take off the rubber seal. There are a couple places where a couple notches, like here and here. This is just prevent to sorry, for the ball joint to get loose all the time. So I have to straighten these bits up. I just went around the edge just to crack any rust, make it easier. Right, so that's a big 3/4 wrench. And it should be easy peasy. So there you go. So that's the front subframe down. I already smarted it a bit. So wishbones with the polyurethane bushes mounted. These bushes are like almost 50,000 miles, and it looks fine. Probably with more grease, just re-grease them, or I might change them. I have a set, so probably for a good measure, just swapping for new ones. Anti-roll bar, I've got the new bushes as well as I'm here. I'll just change those ones with the new ones. Front wishbone bushes. This is the back of the wishbone. These are the polyurethane that I used to sell. So there's nothing wrong with those, to be honest. But I'll just change them for a good measure. So I already done one. It's fairly easy. So as subframe, I am replacing the original bushes with polyurethane bushes. These were made from a Coupe member, Philippe. Thanks Philip. These are 3D printed. He provided me with washers as well, top, bottom part. The only thing for those bushes is we have to reuse the center of the old ones, so I'll show you in a minute how I took off the rubber. It's fairly easy. Right, so first things first, we'll take off the old one. You could see the rubber is so perished. You could take out, just used to be a washer, it used to be a bonded washer, so they're really old. Right, so that's the bottom of the car, that's the top of the car, if you could imagine. So you need to knock out the center. That one, without it, so that's out. So that used to be on the top of the subframe, high from the body side. The bottom bit is a plastic, so maybe that's stubborn. There we go. Just need to rework. So that's the bottom cap. It's made out of plastic. See that? And some bonded rubber as well. So that's that. So what's left is the outside of the top bit. Originally that one and that one, they was bonded together, so it was like one piece. You could see how the rubber separated from the outside race. So that's the inner part of the original bush, and we have to take off the original plastic, so we have only the metal one. There you go. So there you have it.